roll this small gear, move out the print head, and let's clean the waste ink pad. First, we need to put the alcohol into the syringe. Put the alcohol into the waste ink pad like this, and then we find the waste ink tube. Prepare another syringe. Rescrew it and put the syringe inside. Sunk it, and you will find the liquid go down. And we put more alcohol on it. Sunk it again with this syringe here. Okay, you will see this waste ink pad is clean, and there is a very small hole inside. Repeat it several times to make this waste ink pad clean totally. And then you take out it, put it into the bottles. Put it back, connect it again. Put this waste ink tube down, lower level than this waste ink pad. Put it lower level. Okay.